Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am going to discuss some basics of chemical kinetics. Kin- Kinetics. What is a rate? Rate is, as we know that mathematically we write it like change in concentration with respect to time, or we can also use brackets. In some books, the definition of the rate is written as change in concentration with respect to time, which is mathematically wrong. The, the perfect and good definition of rate is change in concentration with respect to change in time, because we know that here it is also change in time. We will also use the word change in the definition also. Okay, let's write a rate of an equation. For example, we have an equation, a reaction that is A goes to B. Here the reactant is A and product is B. Reactant. We can write the rate expression in two ways: minus change in concentration of A with respect to change in time, and also write it is as change in concentration of B with respect to change in time. We write the sign minus here for the reactant when writing the expression in term of the reactant, and in term of the product we do not use such minus sign. Let's do another example, that is nitrogen molecule 3 hydrogen molecule react and form an ammonia molecule NH3. We can write it in 6 different ways. In term of the reactant, minus change in concentration of nitrogen molecule with respect to change in time, minus we will call it 1, minus change in concentration of H2 molecule with respect to change in time, 2, and change in concentration of ammonia with respect to time, 3, and also write it as minus change in concentration of nitrogen molecule with respect to time, and minus change in concentration of hydrogen molecule with respect to change in time, 1/3, plus 1/2 change in concentration of nitrogen molecule with respect to change in time. It is 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, it is also correct, but it is correct in terms of qualitatively, but in quantitatively it is wrong, because we do not mention here this holes. So So the best perfect expression for writing this particular reaction is this 4, 5 and 6. Here nitrogen is same for both, uh, but in term of change in this moles or molecularity, we will write this the number of moles we will write in denominator. It is quantitatively and qualitatively correct. Graphical representation. The slope of a line tell us the slope of a line tell us the whether it is in term of a reactant or in product. Let's do an example. This is one graph, this is another graph. We know that the reactant concentration is reducing and product concentration is increasing with respect to time. Concentration it is in term of as the concentration of a reactant is decreasing, so in term of this is in term of a reactant and this in term of the product. The rate equation is actually the slope of a line. Slope in term of a reactant change in time. This slope in term of the product changing dt. Hope you friend like this